Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're standing in front of the 3700M. This is a really cool location, an excellent apartment, and it's a high-rise apartment, and it's in Uptown Dallas. It would be tough to be in a better location, I have to tell you. This is not the first time we've been here. This is actually probably the fourth or fifth time, at least third time, that we've actually filmed footage. But this is what we call a refresh video. We're gonna go up because they've recently done a renovation, and I want you to be able to see it and take a look at it. We're gonna see just some of the key features that they've renovated, and maybe a model or two. I don't know what they have for us, but they're ready for us. We're gonna see what it's like. So beautiful, beautiful building. I do want to walk around a little bit though, and I want to show off this area one more time, and then let's go see these videos. It's going to be several videos, so be ready for those. We'll be splitting those up into several videos.